In this question, you have to identify in which phase of cell cycle DNA synthesis takes place. Option A, G2 phase. It is incorrect because the G2 phase, that is the second gap phase, is the phase where the cell prepares for mitosis by synthesizing proteins and organelles. Option B, M phase. It is also incorrect because it refers to the mitotic phase where cell division occurs. Option C, S phase. The S phase, that is the synthesis phase, is the part of the cell cycle where DNA replication occurs, resulting in the duplication of the cell's genetic material, that is the chromosome. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, G1 phase. It is also incorrect because the gap 1 phase, that is the G1 phase, is the phase where the cell grows and performs normal functions. But DNA synthesis does not occur here.